Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone section. Following that, tap on device name at the top left corner and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, to discard your new name, tap on this X on the left and to save it on checkmark on the right. So when I click, as you can see, name of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!